A big hi to all. This is our math tutorial on the topic divisibility rule of some certain number such as 4, 6, 8, 11, 13 and so on. But the most interesting and fun part is without giving much more stress, we can do this very easily if we are able to remember the divisibility rules or the divisibility tricks. So let's find out with the first number, that is number 6, and let's see how we can remember this the divisibility rule in a few easy methods. Let's do it. There we go. So children, here are two numbers are written on the board, 2532 and 2793. We need to calculate whether these two numbers are divisible by 6, yes or no. Let's find it. The tricks and the methods we use to find out the divisibility rules of 6.
Okay, here you can see what is our question is 2532 divisible by 6 or not. So for this, the method is the number 2532 has to be divisible by 2 and also by 3. Okay, so let's start. If we remember the divisibility rule of 2, in a number we have to notice the digit in the ones place. Here the digit in the ones place is 2 and 2 is an even number. So 2532 is divisible by 2. See, I have written yes. Now coming to this, a number which is divisible by 3. What is the rule? The sum of the digits of the number, see, 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 add up to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So this number 2532 is divisible by 3. Since both of our conditions are correct, so the number is divisible by 6. So let me write yes. Yes, the number 2532 is divisible by 6. Likewise, we will find out whether the number 2793 is divisible by 6 or not. Let's watch. Is 2793 divisible by 6 or not? Same method. For the number to be divisible by 6, there are two conditions: divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So here in ones place the digit is 3, which is an odd number. So this number will not be able to be divided by 2. So the answer is no for divisible by 2. Now coming to divisible by 3, if we add up the digits, we will get 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3 add up to 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So the number 2793 is also divisible by 3. So here it is yes. Now look carefully. Here one of the two conditions are coming correct. In this case, the number will not be divisible by 6, because for a number to be divisible by 6, both of these two conditions has to be correct. Both of these two conditions has to be correct. Okay, so the number will not be divisible by 6. Well done. Now, can you tell me, I'm giving you some numbers. Can you tell me whether these are divisible by 7 or not? So, what are the numbers? 364, 2023, 193. So, these are big numbers. So, is there any trick to find out whether these are divisible by 7?
Okay, you have given me two numbers to solve. One is 364 and another one is 2023. Let's find out whether there is any shortcut process to find out the divisibility test. Let's do it. Okay, so here is the first number 364. First of all, we will double the last digit, that is number 4, and the answer is 8. Now we will subtract this 8 with the remaining number, that is 36, and then we will get the answer 28, which is very easy to understand, that is divisible by 7 and the quotient will be 4. So we can say that number 364 is divisible by 7. Now after understanding the rule, we can further solve bigger number. The same rule, same process, 2023. Also, first we will double the number. 3 into 2 we will get 6, and again we will subtract the number, and then we will get 196. Now there is a point that 196 is fairly a big enough number. So here also again we will do the same trick. 6 into 2 we will get 12, and now if we subtract 12 from the remaining number, that is 19, from where we get the 19? Because 196, after the subtraction the remaining number was 196. So we will double the number, and with that 19 we will simply subtract 12 and we will get the final answer 7, which is very easy to understand, divisible by 7. So we can say that 2023 is also divisible by 7. Here is the two number, and after following the same process we can say that both the number are divisible by 7. Okay, so my last number of divisibility test of 7 is 193. Here we will follow the same rule. We will simply double the number of the last digit, that is 3, and we will get number 6. Then we will subtract this 6 from the remaining number, that is 19. Then we will get 13, and it is very clearly seen that 13 is not divisible by 7. So we can say that the number 193 is not at all divisible by 7. So children, these are the divisibility rules, divisibility tricks of number 7. Can you tell me that 4732 and 6440 are divisible by 8 or not? I am repeating my question again. So here are my two number, 4732 and 6440. Can you solve it?
To find out whether 4732 is divisible by 8, we have to first see the last 3 digits. So the last 3 digits of the number is 732. Okay. Now next we have to see whether 732 is divisible by 8 or not. If we do the division, we will see that 732 is not divisible by 8. Okay. So the number 4732 is not divisible by 8. Okay. So the rule of divisibility by 8 is a number is divisible by 8 only when the last 3 digits of that number is divisible by 8. Okay. In this way you can find out whether a number of 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 or not. Now, can you solve whether 6440 is divisible by 8 or not? Okay, we will solve it together. So let's start. Okay, now coming to the next number 6440. Now we have to find out whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. Similar process. Okay, we have to find out the last 3 digits of the number. So the last 3 digits are 440. Okay, now we have to divide 440 by 8, and if we divide, we will see that a quotient will come without any remainder. So the number 440 is exactly divisible by 8. Henceforth, the number 6440 is also divisible by 8. So here I will write yes. Yes, the number 6440 is divisible by 8. So have you understood the divisibility rule of 8? If you can apply this rule, you will find out in some minutes whether a big number is divisible by 8 or not. So children, today we have learned the divisibility rule of 6, 7 and 8. In the next class, we will learn some more divisibility rule and how to apply them when finding out whether a number is divisible by that or not. Thank you.